Mai and Khao Soi, a love story known to travelers worldwide. For anyone stepping into this ancient city, finding that one perfect bowl of curry noodles is a mission of the soul. In a city filled with Khao Soi shops, most remain hidden behind kitchen walls. But at Khao Soi Yuk Samai in Baan Kang Wat, they believe in the art of transparency. Located within the serene craft village, waiting here on a weekend can take 1 to 3 hours. But in this artistic sanctuary, time isn't wasted, it's invested. Between the art studios and the greenery, the anticipation only seasons your appetite. As you approach the counter, the show begins. A young chef in traditional Mo Hom attire stands over a bubbling cauldron. This is infotainment at its best. No hidden rooms, just the rhythmic simmering of premium pork and beef, slow cooked to perfection right before your eyes. Watch the dance of the coconut milk. See it pour into the vibrant, spicy broth, creating a golden velvet that bubbles with life. The steam carries the whispers of Lanna heritage, proving that great taste isn't just cooked, it's crafted. Details matter here. Side dishes like pickled mustard greens and shallots are served in rustic bamboo tubes. Whether you're sitting at the leg-dangling spots or under the wooden eaves, you're not just eating a Taste Atlas-ranked dish, you're consuming a piece of culture. To complete the experience, try the Crispy Tofu with Tamarind Sauce, a perfect balance of crunch and tangy sweetness, or the fried pork with its fiery jiao dip. Finally, refresh your palate with fresh passion fruit juice to wash away the richness, leaving only a memory of a perfect Lanna afternoon. At Yuk Samai, Khao Soi is more than a meal. It's a journey through time and taste. Come and see the art you can eat. North Thai Life, your tasteful local friend.